Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So if you have not subscribed it, so kindly subscribe it. So in today's video, we will cover fix this issue of mobile hotspot not working in Windows 11. So as you can see here, this mobile hotspot is on, and if it's not working, so you have to just follow these steps. So firstly, we have to go on View Network Connection. Here it is. You have to just click on it, and here you will find out this Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct virtual adapter. So this is basically hotspot, so you have to just right click on it and click on properties, and in sharing tab, so you have to just check it that this option should be unchecked. If it is checked in your system, so kindly uncheck it and then click on OK. So after this, you have to go to registry editor. By following first step, many of you as issue will be fixed. If it doesn't, so you have to just go to the registry editor, click on yes, and then you will have to follow this path: hkey local machine, then system, then current control set. Here it is, I am on hkey local machine, then I have to go to system, and then I have to go on current control set. Here it is, and in current control set I have to go on services, then here it is services, and then I have to go on WLAN. I have to just drag it down to W section. Here it is, WLAN SVC. I have to on this, drag it down little bit, and then you have to just follow this parameter option, and in parameter you will find out hosted network settings. So you have to just click on it, hosted network settings. You have to just right click on it and click on delete. By pressing this delete button, your issue will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, so you have to just go to step 3, which is basically settings. You have to just type settings and go to the settings, and then you have to go to network and internet. Here it is, network and internet. So you have to figure it out that your Wi-Fi should be on, because it doesn't work if your ethernet will be on. It is basically this process basically will work on only for Wi-Fi. So you have to just check this that your Wi-Fi is on. As you can see, my Wi-Fi PTCL BB is connected. So you have to check this, and after this you have to go to in last step, which is basically device manager. So you have to just go to device manager, and in device manager you have to check this network adapter option, and you have to drag it down, and here you will have to click on adapter option, which is basically your hotspot, and you have to click on update driver. By clicking on update driver, your driver will be updated and your issue will be fixed. So if you like my video, so kindly like it, share it, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.